Day 4
of the Topps Holiday Advent Calendar. We've been opening one per day.
Alright, well, she got the evergreen yesterday. Let me see if I can get one too.
Yeah.
And also, if you forgot, Cooper's missing. Go ahead. Go ahead. We don't know where he's
You
at.
go first.
Oh, you're gonna switch it up this time?
Yeah, I feel like I've been going first.
You know what?
I'll go first.
I'm gonna have to go with one of my seniors' numbers this year. Or this one right here. This is senior. Number 3, Skyland Moore. Let's go. Marino, starting guard. Let's see what she brings to the table. Number 3. She plays that lockup defense and got a cannon, can shoot from deep. She just needs to shoot it. What we got? Oh, Raiden!
Whoa.
One of our kids right here. Maybe he'll make it to the NBA like you go.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah. Christmas sweater, Kyle Kuzma. Ooh, nice
Ooh.
list.
Nice list. 18.9. Let's see who is going to be.
Nick Clifford? Or is it Neek?
Neek Clifford. Oh, you would.
Already did.
Okay, well, I'll take the Raiden card. And
Yeah.
18.9. Okay, you're up. All right, Sky, you got me Neek Clifford. Go back to your
Okay.
box, Neek. Good night, Neek.
Close that up really fast. I mean, he has a good amount of points. Let's see what we have left here.
Trick me with that one, Neek.
Ooh, number 1's not done yet.
Okay.
I'll go with number 1.
All right. I should have with number 1. So far, she had hits. She had some hits. She got the evergreen in the last pool. We shall see.
With the flag nicely. Ooh, I got it out really easily that time. Wow.
Wow, no broken nail? That's a win already.
Yeah, definitely.
That's already a win.
Here we go. Let's see what we have today. Oh, I got your guy, your rookie. You got my rookie.
Okay.
Adu,
How do you do? Adu.
Sangoon.
Oh, that beat Kyle Kuzma.
Nice list.
Oh, naughty list. Ooh. Uh-oh, I'm beating you.
Uh-oh. Mine is not doing as good as yours.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait, what?
Well, they had a lot of NBA guys.
Oh, then no
they had to share
wonder.
that ball.
Yeah, okay.
Oh man. Oh yeah,
Sorry.
really, really.
Sorry.
I thought I almost won one.
Oh.
So far,
Oh, boy.
I think I'm 4-0, 0-4 against her with heads up picks. You guys, let us know. What do you think?
Yikes.
Definitely, she got all my Duke guys.
I got Kon'd and Cooper flag in
You know
this.
what? I got Kon'd.
Oh, goodness. All right, here we go.
Oh man. What a win.
All right.
What a win for you.
Yeah, this
I
one
should have went
actually
with number
looks
1.
nice, too. Yeah, you should have. No, you.
I was going for
Okay.
Sky's number.
Yeah.
I was
It's okay.
representing one of my...
Hey, we got it. That's the coolest thing.
I
We got
know.
Kon'd and Cooper in the nice list, and this one I would call him there, so that's pretty good.
Alright, be my
We
guest.
have to put him in there. This one actually looks pretty good
They all look
on
pretty
the
good.
edges.
You can put them right there. Look how nice it goes in.
Is it?
Almost as nice as how you took it out.
I don't believe you.
Believe it.
All right. Well, that was fun. Thanks for tuning in for our day 4 of the 12 Days of Christmas holiday advent calendar for Tops.
You know it's messed up, but she let me go first this time, and I still didn't get it. You know what? Stay classy. There's day 5 tomorrow.
Thanks for stopping by. Happy holiday.